Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with a record of her body temperature every 4 hours. The following data given in a tabular form. So here the example is Renu fell into sick and her doctor waited a record, that is body temperature, with every 4 hours. So here time and temperature. This is in degrees Celsius and this is time. We know that. So this is the graph we know. Here time versus temperature. So I am taking here temperature in degrees Celsius. Here I am taking time. So this axis and this axis is over. Now we have to put the markings of these given timings. So I am here taking 0, after 2, 6, 10, 2 and 6. So this is AM and this is also AM. This is 2 PM and this is also 6 PM. So these are the timings of the every hour body temperature checking times. Now this is the temperature. So we have to take according to the what are we are taken as a data. So 37, 40, 38, 35. So I am here taking some jungle line because of I am not representing up to 30. So this is 30, 32, 34, 36, 38. 40, 42. Here we have up to 40. So 40 is enough here. Now we have to take the representation of temperature. So at 6 a.m. we have 37 degrees Celsius. So at 6 a.m. we have to check. So this is 38 and this is 36. This between, this is a 5 point, right? So here is the half, that is called 37. This is the point 1. Next, at 10 a.m. we got 40 degrees Celsius. Take the 10 a.m. line and where is the 40? Here is the 40. Next, after that 2 p.m. with a 38 degrees Celsius. So 2 p.m. with 38. See, this is 38. 6 p.m. with 35. So 6 p.m. this is 34 and this is 35, 36. So this is the 35. So this is the representation of the points where we got the time versus temperature. Now we have to make a line graph. So by using scale, draw a line segments connecting to the each and every point like this. So we cannot connect this to this and this to this because of this is a line graph with a series also. Because of this is 6 a.m., this is 10, 2 and 6. This is from starting and next one and next one, this is the last one. So in that way we have to connect the line graph also. So this is the way to make a line graph with a how to put a points also. I hope you understand about this session. By using this line graph and this data, we can answer any question. So I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment in comment section. Please click like button, share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Media. Today I came with another topic, that is examples of linear graphs from Introduction to Graphs 8th class ncert. So here is the question. Plot the points 4, 3 on graph sheet. Is it the same as the point 3, 4? So here we have to plot the points in a linear graph way. So we have to check 4, 3 as same as the 3, 4 point. So let's see how to look at the points on the graph. So I am taking, this is 4, 3, and I am taking this graph for 3, 4 points. So let's take, so this is the y-axis and this is the x-axis, and this is y-axis. Now locate the points 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 also. 8, your wish. So now here we have to locate the point 4, 3. So in any point they give, this represent x-axis point and this represent y-axis point. So in x we have to take 4. So this is the 4. In this 4 we have to represent 3. So this is the 3 and this is the 4. This is the point of 4, 3. Next, similarly, I am taking here for the 3, 4. So this is y-axis as it, and this is x-axis. Horizontal axis we call x-axis and vertical axis we are calling y-axis. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now this is also common. This is for x and this is for y axis. So let's see, 3 on x and 4 on y. So in the x we have to take 3 units. From 3 we have to take 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the point. See, this is also 4. This is 3, 4 coordinates. So this is 3, 4 and 4. This is 4, 3. But there is a difference, right? It is not same as the point, because of in a x-axis we have 4 units. In this x-axis we have 3 units only. In this y-axis we have 3 units. In this y-axis we have 4 units. So these are not same. So not same as the points 4, 3 and 3, 4. That is the answer for this question. I hope you understand about the how to locate the coordinates on a graph sheet. So I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on comment section. Please click like button, share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.
Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with a new topic, that is Introduction to Graphs, 8th class ncert. So here is about the introduction of the graphs. You know what is a graph? The purpose of graph is to show the numerical facts in the form of visual. So by the visual graphs we can understand easily and quickly, clearly. From 6th class to 8th class you may familiar with the graphs by the data handling chapter. So take 6th class, you are familiar with pictograph, that is representation of data in the form of pictures. And coming to the bar graph, that is also in the form of bars with uniform equal width. And coming to the third one, a double bar graph, it comes in 7th class. It is also uniform width of equal intervals, but these are used to compare two things. So that is mean by double bar graph. Just take a recap of bar graph and double bar graph. Graphs are, we are used with the visual forms. So by using a tabular form we can form bar graphs also. See here it is a bar graph, marks in maths and it is terms. So if you take A's marks in maths as per term exams. See, by using this bar graph you can get some understanding about the bar graph. See, this is 0 and in between two columns we have first term marks, that is 25 marks. Next we take same interval to form the second term. So this is 30 marks. So by first and second she got 5 marks extra in maths. And coming to the third term, she got the 40 marks to the up to 50. In this bar graph, in the visual form, we got the how S marks in a maths as per term exams, how gradually increases her marks. In this bar graph we can see. Bar graph is nothing but to show the visual form, and we can also, by using the collecting data, we can form tabular form. By using tabular form we can make a bar graph like this. And also, if any case bar graph is given, we can answer to any questions. For example, in this bar graph, we can answer some questions. See here, A's marks in third term. That is the one question. How many marks she got? 40 marks. So that is the answer for this question. So like that. Next, coming to the double bar graph. Red shows you Monday and blue shows you Tuesday. So here, from 0, 5, 10, 15, 20 up to 50 is there, sales in kgs. And here coming to fruits, banana, papaya and orange. So these are the three fruits we taken from Monday and Tuesday. Here purple shows you Tuesday and red shows you Monday. So on Monday, how many bananas are sales in kgs? There is 25 here, and just above the half of the in between 25 to 30. So this is 2.5. So 25 plus 2.5, 27.5 kgs sold in a Monday. That fruit is banana. Similarly, at that Tuesday, how many fruits are, how many kgs of bananas sold? 30 plus 2.5. Here also half, 2.5. So 32.5 kgs sold on Tuesday. Similarly, papaya also. Similarly, orange also. So from this double bar graph, we can form a tabular form, and if in case any questions are asked by this double bar graph, we can answer easily through this visualization of double bar graph. And one more thing here, by using this, we can answer any questions, right? So here one thing we are missed, that is scale. Every bar graph and every double bar graph has to take scale. That is as per the here. Here this to this is called 1 unit. So here 1 unit is equal to how many marks? 10 marks. So 10 marks is the scale of this bar graph. And similar to here, 0 to 5, this is called 1 unit, right? So this scale is 1 unit is equal to 5 kgs. So in bar graph and double bar graph, we cannot take this and this. Only we can take vertical scale, that is also units. If in case bar graph and double bar graph we are making as a horizontal form, then according to that we are taken a horizontal units of a scale. So this is about this session. I hope you understand about the bar graph and double bar graph. If you have any doubts, comment on comment section. Please click like button, share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.
Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with exercise 15.1 from Introduction to Graphs, 8th class NCERT. Question number 5. Use the tables below to draw linear graphs. Question number A. The number of days a hillside city received snow in different years. So this is years and this is days. 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, and according to that days 8, 10, 5 and 12. In this year, the number of days, that is 8 days, this city, hillside city received the snow. In 2004, 10 days. In 2005, 5 days. 2006, 12 days. So this tabular form we have to represent in the form of linear graph. So let's start how to represent this. So I am taking scale for this axis. So this is for another axis, horizontal axis also. So this is one and this is next one. In this I am taking years. So this is 0, right? So after that I am taking this is like this. See, after every one point I am taking difference. 2003, this is 2004, and this is 2005, and this is 2006. So this is all years. Next, this is days, right? So days. This is 8, 10, 5, 12. So I am taking here. So I am taking this is 2, this is 4, this is 6, and this is 8, this is 10, this is 12, and this is 14. Up to 14 it's enough because of here we have 12, right? So here it is enough. So now let's start representing. In the year 2003 we have the days of 8, right? So take the 2003 line and put the point at 8 days. So this is the date and this is the year. Next one, 2004 we got 10 days. So take the 2004 year line and at 10 we have to stop and put the point. 2005 we got 5 days only. So this is 2005. We have 4 and 6. In between 4 and 6 we have to have a put a midpoint as a point as 5 days in 2005. Next 2006 we got 12. So in 2006 12. This is the 12. Now connect the points. So here we have to connect 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006. But do not connect like this or like this. Okay, we have to connect as per years only. So take the scale and connect 2003, 2004. After that 2005 to 2006, 2006 5 to 2006. So this is the graph what they gave according to the hillside city received snow in different years according to the days. So this is the line graph for that. Next, coming to the question number B, population in the thousands of men and women in a village in different years. So here population, these are getting two graphs. See, years are common, but number of men and number of women. We have to represent population, number of men and number of women. So let's start representing this. So as usual, I am taking horizontal axis and vertical axis like this. So this is years, right? This is population. Population in thousands. It is must to represent in thousands, in kilometers or in meters, etc. what they give. So let's start. This is 0, 2003, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I am taking, so this is 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007. Okay. Next, in this population, 12, 12.5, 13, 13.2, 13.5, 11, 11.9. So this is also in from 11 to we have up to 13.5 or 13.6 also. So I'm taking like, so I'm taking 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. This is as 14. Now each and every one it is 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000 according to the population 1000. So now we have to represent number of beds according to years. So I'm using red marker for number of beds. So in 2003 we got 12. So 2003 this is the 12. 2004 12.5. 2004 12.5. 2005 13. So 2005 13. 2006 13.2. So this is 14, right? Here we have 10 unit. In this unit we have 10 equal parts. So each every one like 13.1, 13.2 like that. So here we got 13.2 in 2006, right? So 13.2. This is 1 and this is 2. Next 13.5 in 2007. This is 13.5. Now draw the line. This is for men's. So I am clearly writing here red color for number of men. Next, I am taking blue marker for number of women. So in 2003, we got 11.3. So 11, 11.1, 11.2, 11.3. Like this. Next, 2004, we got 11.9. 2004, 11.9. 2005, we got again 13. So it is equal at this point. 2006, we got 13.6. So 13.6. This is 13.5 and this is 13.6. After that 2007 we got 12.8. It is also decreases like this. Now connect the points, blue dots. So here this is and this is here also from this to this, from this to this. At one point only we got common, that is 13 in 2005 only. See, so here I am mentioning that is blue is number of women. So this is the way to represent the given data in the form of linear graphs. So I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on comment section. Please click like button, share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with exercise 15.2 from Introduction to Graphs 8th class NCERT. Question number 2. Draw the line passing through 2, 3 and 3, 2. Find the coordinates of the points at which this line meets the x-axis and y-axis. So we have to draw the line passing through the 2, 3 and 3, 2 points. After that, find the coordinates of the points at which these line meets the x-axis, y-axis. After that, we have to draw a line passing through these two coordinates. We have to name that coordinates. Those are meeting x-axis, y-axis also. So let's start how to draw the first given coordinates. Now let's draw the both x and y-axis. So I am here drawing x-axis at horizontal line. I am drawing y-axis also. See, 0. And this is y-axis and this is x-axis, right? So represent points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 up to 9 here. So it's enough, I think so. So let's start represent the points 2, 3. So on x-axis, it means 2, 3 here representing x, y. So we have to represent first x-axis and next y-axis. So here we have to represent 2 units on x-axis. From this 3 units on y-axis. So this is the point 2, 3. So 2, 3. Similarly, 3 and 2. So on x-axis we have 3 units, on y-axis we have 2 units only. So this is the point. So 3, 2. Now we have to draw the line passing through these two coordinates, right? So now we have to draw the line passes through these 2 points and this is meeting at 5, 5. Here we can represent on x-axis this is as 5, 0 and on y-axis we can represent this as 0, 5. Why? Because of on x-axis we are meeting at 5 and y-axis we are at 0. So we don't have any units further on vertical axis. So that's why 5, 0. Similarly, on horizontal axis, we don't have any x-axis points. That's why 0. On y-axis, we got 5. So the coordinates of the points which this line meets the x-axis and y-axis. So the answer is the coordinates of the points which meets at x comma y axis or 5 comma 0 and 0 comma 5. So this is the answer for this question. I hope you understand about this question. If you have any doubts, comment in comment section. Please click like button, share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with exercise 15.2 from Introduction to Graphs from 8th class ncert. Question number 3. Write the coordinates of the vertices of each of these adjoining figures. So here they gave the some shapes on the graph. So we have to write the coordinates of the vertices. It means corners of the each of the figures. So here we have three figures. This is rectangle, this is a parallelogram, and this is a triangle. So according to that vertices, we have to represent the coordinates where they are intersecting. See, this is the full graph. So let's start writing the coordinates. So I am taking the first rectangle. So take rectangle, naming it as OABC. So OABC. So here we have 4 points, right? So O at point O we have 0, 0. You know, x-axis and y-axis we don't have any. So that's why 0, 0. Now A. At point A we have 2 and 0. Next B. At B we have 2 units from x-axis and 3 units from y-axis. So this is 2, 3. So 2, comma 3. So this is 2, comma 3. This is 2, comma 0. This is 0, comma 0. Now see, this is also on x-axis we have 0, on y-axis we have 3. So 0, comma 3. So this is the point C, 0, 3. Now I am taking parallelogram. So parallelogram. Why I am writing parallelogram like this? Because you cannot confuse with these names. So P, Q, or S. Now at P. So from x-axis we have 4. From y-axis we have 3. So this is, we can write it as 4 comma 3. So 4 comma 3. On Q point. See, Q from 6 and this is 1. So 6 comma 1. And next R. I forgot to write it, 6 comma 1. Next R. Similarly 6, 5. So this is 6 comma 5. 6 comma 5. Next finally S. So this is S from 4 and 7. So 4 from x-axis, 7 from y-axis. So this is about parallelogram coordinates. Next triangle. Triangle KLM. KLM. Now points K, point L, point M. On K we have 10. On Y we have 5. So 10 comma 5. Next L point. So this is the L point from 7 and 7. So this is 10 comma 5 K. This is 7 comma 7. Sorry, I forgot to write S. So 4 and 7. Next M, 10, 8. So 10 on x-axis, 8 on y-axis. So L 7 comma 7. From x-axis M 10 and 8 on y-axis. So these are the coordinates according to the given figure. So this is about this session, how to represent the coordinates from the given graph. So I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on comment section. Please click like button, share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Media. Today I came with exercise 15.1 Introduction to Graph from 8th class NCERT. Question number 2. The following line graph shows the yearly sales figures for manufacturing company. Question A. What were the sales in 2002 and 2006? Question B. What were the sales in 2003 and 2005? Question C. Compute the difference between sales in 2002 and 2006. And D is, in which year was there the greatest difference between the sales as compared to its previous year? So these are the 4 questions given according to the given graph. So we have to answer these questions by using this graph and given data. So let's start how to compute this graph to this question. So let's start here. In this vertical axis, we can see sales in crores. The horizontal axis, we can see years. So these are from 2002 to 2006. So this is yearly sales in crores. So this is the main matter of this given line graph. So let's start answering questions. What were the sales in 2002? So we have to check from 2002 line. This is 4. So it is in crores, right? So we have to write the answer as crores also because of it is in crores. So 4 crores rupees. Next 2006. So we have to check 2006 also. That is 8 crores. Next, what were the sales in 2003 and 2005? 2003, 7. Because of this is 2. In between, this is 1. This is 3. 5. This is 7. If I write here, see, this is 1, this is 3, this is 5, this is 7, this is 9 and this is 11. So from that we can see 2003 is 7. So 7 crores rupees. Next 2005 also. This is 10. 10 crores. Next question. Compute the difference between the sales in 2002 and 2006. So here we have to take 2002 and 2006. See, in 2006 we have 8 crores and in 2002 we have 4 crores. So compute the difference. It means we have to subtract. So let's write the answer. The difference between the sales in 2002 is 4 crores and in 2006 is 8 crores. Therefore, 8 minus 4, 4 crores. So this is the answer. Next, in which year was there the greatest difference between the sales as compared to its previous year? So we have to choose the first greatest difference between the sales as compared to previous years. So this is the 2002. We don't know previous year of this. In 2003 there is a peak. It means increase of the sales. But in previous year also this is lowest. But compared to 2004 this is lowest. So this is not a greatest, right? So after that, see here, this is the 2005. In this one, this is the most increases. It means that is the greatest. In previous year also compared to this and compared to this is the greatest. So we have to take the year 2005. So in 2005 year is the greatest sales year. So this is the questions about the given line graph. So I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment in comment section. Please click like button, share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with another example problem, Introduction to Graphs from 8th class NCERT. This is the example problem of line graph. So question, the given graph describes the distance of a car from city P at different times when it is traveling from city P to city Q, which are 350 kilometers apart. Study the graph and answer the following questions. This is the one of the method of the line graph example problem. If in case the data is given, we have to draw the line graph, or else if they gave the line graph, we have to answer some questions. So let's see what is the information given here. The car is passes from city P to city Q, which is a part of 350 kilometers. So now what information is given on the two axes? So this is the axis and this is the another axis. So here axis 1 and axis 2 is telling about time and distance from P in kilometers. So this is the time. See 8 am, 9 am, 10 am, 11 am, 12 noon, 1 pm, 2 pm and 3 pm. In this axis we have distance from 0, 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400. Why? Because of 400, that is up to 350 kilometers, right? So that's why we are taking just above the mark, about the 400 kilometers. So in this axis we are showing that is distance from P in kilometers, and this is the time of traveling. That means at the day of time. So let's start. What is the questions? What information is given on the two axes? So that is the question here. So time and distances. So let's write answer. So this is horizontal and this is vertical, right? So horizontal axis shows time. Vertical axis shows distance from P in kilometers. Next question. How far did the car go in the first hour? So in first hour it means from 8 am to 9 am. How much distance car traveled? See, this is 0. This is at 9 am. This is 50. So in between 1 hour the car traveled only 50 kilometers. That is the answer. So let's write answer. The car goes in the first hour is 50 kilometers. So that is also from 8 am to 9 am. Next question. When did the car reach city Q? So how would we know that? So that is traveling from city P to city Q, which are apart 350 kilometers. So 350 kilometers is here. That is reaching point. It is at 2 pm. So that is the time. So at 2 pm the car reached the city Q. So that is the answer here. So by using line graph with given data, we can answer any questions. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment in comment section. Please click like button, share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with another topic, that is linear graphs from Introduction to Graphs 8th class NCERT. Here is about linear graphs. So we learned line graphs. What is meant by linear graphs? So line graphs, we know if we locate any points like this, we have to connect that points as per requirement. But in a linear graphs, we have to take as a graph as a linear like this, either right or a horizontal or a cross, anything that was in a all points in a straight line. So that is called linear graph. So in the line graph we can see broken and line segments, but in linear graph we cannot do that. So we have to put the points in a linear way, that is in a straight way. We have to represent that is as a linear graph. So here, what is the location of a point? So see, what in a linear graphs we have some technical words to use the how to represent a graph and what is a point, what is a coordinate. So here we are going to learn in this paper. Okay. So if in case location of a point, we know that this is the point, right? So either it is as Q or anything. So this is the location of the point. This is the location of the point, but we cannot tell this is the exact way of the point. If you see, this is only one bar width from the top. If you see, this is from the bottom, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. About 10 bars, this is point. So that is there are two different ways to tell this point. Another two ways from left side and right side also. So that is not the location of point. So we have to know first of all coordinates also. What are the coordinates? See, this is one axis and this is another axis. So we generally call this is as horizontal axis and this is called vertical axis. So these are axes, but there is no specific axis, right? So we can call horizontal axis is called x-axis and vertical axis is known as y-axis. So this is y and this is x-axis. So y-axis, x-axis. Now this is 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I am locating a point here now. See what is the difference of one location of a point from this to this. See, I am locating point here. So this is from one point on a x-axis, 2 points on a y-axis. So here we are calling this is as 1, 2. Why 1, 2? We do not represent that is as 2, 1, 1. Because of we have to represent first of all x-axis point and after that we have to represent y-axis point like this. So this is 1 and 2, right? So 1 means 1 is in the x-axis, 2 is in the y-axis. So that is the coordinates here. If you take another location of point like this, we can call this is as 3, 3. It means in x-axis we got 3 points and in y-axis also we got 3 points. So that's why this coordinate is called as 3, 3. Another location of point I am seeing here, this is. So we can call it as 5, 6. So 5 is in x-axis, 6 is in y-axis. So this is the location of point, right? But exact location of point means where we are locating apart from x-axis, apart from y-axis, that is the main of this location of point and according to the coordinates. So this is about the how to locate a point and how to name the coordinates of the given point. So I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on comment section. Please click like button, share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.
Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with another topic, that is a pie chart or a circle graph and a histogram from Introduction to Graphs 8th class NCERT. In previous video we discussed about the bar graph and double bar graph. In this video we are going to discuss about pie chart and histogram. So here pie chart. So this pie chart shows you some amount. See, it is a circle. It means it is 100%, right? So here we are dividing this into a fraction. So it is whole divided into parts. So it got as a fraction. Okay. So this is a pie chart or a circle graph. We can call it a circle graph also. Here, this circle represents the whole. So in that whole, the percentage of viewers of TV channels. So 25% are sports watching. So this is 25%. If in case, if you divide this also 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 25%, right? So 25% of viewers watching sports. After that, news watching 15%. So these are the 15% viewers watching news. And informative 10%. So informative videos and informative channels viewers are 10%. And coming to the entertainment, 50% are there. So in these four topics we are included in only in a single graph, that is circle graph. So if you can, it is possible to make another two also. It means about the pie chart detailed explanation I explained in a data handling 8th class video. I will give the link in description box. So this is a pie chart with a information given. So by using a tabular form of information, we can draw the circle graph also. So by using this graph, we can answer any questions. By using any tabular form, we can form the circle graph easily. So this is about the recap of pie chart and a circle graph also. Next, coming to the histogram. This is quite difference having between bar graph and double bar graph. In a bar graph, we have uniform lengths with some intervals, uniform intervals, right? So here we don't have any intervals. These are adjacent bars with a given information. So here this zigzag line, see, like this, it means we are not showing from 0 to 40 is the meaning, or else some number is there, that is also here we can write. So this zigzag line, this jagged line is said to be, we are not showing the from 0 to 40. So in this histogram, we cannot showing the 0, 10, 20, 30 like this. So in that purpose, we are using this jagged line. And this is weight in kgs and this is number of persons. So in between 40 to 45, there are 4 persons are there. In between 45 to 50 kgs, there are 12 persons are there. In between 50 and 55, there are 13%, because 13 members, because of this is half of between the 14 and 12. So obviously here 13. So 13% are there. And 55 to 60, there are 6 persons. And 60 to 65, there are 5%. This is half of this. So this is 5 persons are there. By using this histogram, we can calculate the tabular form, or by using table form, we can form the histogram easily. So in data handling 8th class, we already discussed about the histogram, how to draw a histogram and how to answer the following questions by using the histogram also I explained. Please check the description box. This is about this session. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts on pie chart or histogram, please comment in comment box. Click like button, share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.
Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with another topic, that is from some applications that we are discussing principal and simple interest from introduction to graphs from 8th class NCERT. We already discussed about the some applications, that is about the quantity and cost. Now we are going to discuss about the principal and simple interest graph. So here I took a problem. A bank gives 10% SI, it means simple interest on deposits by senior citizens. Draw a graph to illustrate the relation between the sum deposited and simple interest earned. So here sum deposited and simple interest, we have to draw between these two. So this is the one and this is the next one. Find from your graph an annual interest obtained for an investment of 250 rupees, and the investment one has to make to get an annual simple interest of 70 rupees. So we have to find these two from that graph. So we have to draw the graph by using the bank giving 10% SI. From that we have to calculate sum and It means sum of deposit and simple interest. From that we have to take the graph. By using graph we have to answer the questions. So let's take the illustration about the sum and simple interest. So here I am taking a tabular form for these two. So here deposit sum, here simple interest for a year. Okay. So here deposit sum, first of all take 100 rupees. So here I am taking 200 rupees. Here 300 rupees. Here 500 rupees. And here taking 1000 rupees. So we know the formula of SI, PTR by 100. So P means principal amount, T means time, that is 1 year, rate of interest 10%. So here P 100 into 1 into 10 divided by 100. So 0 cancel 10. For this 200 into 1 into 10 divided by 100, 0 gets cancelled 20. Here 300 into 1 into 10 by 100. Because of here rate of interest is 10 is given. Here time is for a year we are calculating. So that's mean why. So this is common for all, 1 into 10 by 100. This is the only principal amount changes according to the what we taken in a sum of deposit. So that is the why here change of SI. So here also 0 cancel, 3 into 10 30. Here 500 into 1 into 10 divided by 100, zeros cancel 50. Similarly here also 1000 into 1 into 10 divided by 100, zeros cancel. This is 10 into 10 we got 100. So by sum of deposit and SI for a year we got. So we have to draw a graph between these two, right? So take the tabular form of these two. So here deposit in rupees annual. It means for a year, right? So annual SI in rupees. Now for 100, 200, 300, 500, finally 1000. We got simple interest like 10, 20, 30, 50, 100. So by using this tabular form, we are going to take the graph here. So let's take graph. So let's take the graph here. So this is the graph we took. Now, so I am taking deposits on x-axis and annual SI on y-axis. So here SI in annual SI, because of we are calculated for 1 year. So in rupees, and this is deposit in rupees. So now take the axis first of all without any confusion. So this is the one and this is the another one. So this is the 0. Now deposits, right? 100, 200, 300, 500, 1000. So here also we are taking 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000. Okay. Next one, this is annual SI. So here also I am taking 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So this is completed about the taking units. So next we have to draw the graph. Deposits 100, annual SI 10. So this is 100 and this is 10. So put the point here. Next, deposit 200, annual SI 20. 200 and this is 20. Next 330. So this is 330. 550. So 550. 1100. So this is 1000 and this is 100. So this is the last point. So in these type of questions like quantity and cost, time and distance, and principal and simple interest, where there is a two independent and dependent variable graphs, we have to take this as a linear graph from 0. So see, if you draw a line through this point, these are in a line. So this is called a linear graph like this. We are done the graph with a illustration tabular form. But we have to answer an annual interest obtained for an investment of 250 rupees. So we have to take 250 rupees here. This is 200 and this is 300. In between that, this is 250. So 250 rupees where the line linear graph cuts. See that? So this is the point. See, I am marking with the blue marker. So this is 25. So this is 250 comma 25. This is next. The investment one has to make to get an annual SI of 70 rupees. So SI of 70. So from this we have to take. So here they said annual interest obtained from investment. So from deposit, and here they said investment one has to make annual SI. So from SI, so from 70, this is the point of intersection, and at 700. So this is 700 over 70. So this is the way to draw the graph by using the given matter, and this is the way to answer the following questions by using the given questions. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment or comment section. Please click like button, share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with another topic, that is some applications about Introduction to Graph from 8th class NCERT. Here is about the quantity and cost. So in some applications, we have two variables. One is independent and dependent. So if I give daily life example, then you will get better understanding. If you see electricity bill, this is the bill. So here electricity we can use more, we got the bill high. If you use less, we got the bill low. So here independent means we are using, dependent means that is the cost. So here we are using quantity of electricity, and here we are having cost of the electricity bill. So this is the independent variable, but this is the dependent variable. So from that, so that means quantity and cost. Like this we can see time and distance. In that some time we can travel some distance. So these two are also independent and dependent, like principal amount and the simple interest. These problems also we can conclude under the independent and dependent variables. So those problems like independent and dependent variable, those are also we can form in the form of graphs. So that is the main theme of this sub applications exploration. So let's see how to draw the quantity and cost by using the following table. So here is the example problem I took. The following table gives the quantity of petrol and its cost. So here number of liters of petrol, cost of petrol in liters. So here also liters, cost of petrol in rupees. So here 10 liters cost 500, 15 liter cost 750, 20 liter cost 1000, 25 liter cost 1250 rupees. So this is also we can show in the form of graphs. So here I am taking axis like this. So this is x-axis 0, and as usual this is y-axis. Now in x-axis here I am writing x-axis representing petrol in liters, y-axis representing cost in rupees. Okay, so this is petrol and this is cost of petrol in rupees. So let's see how to draw the graph. So number of liters and cost of petrol in rupees. So we are taking number of liters. So petrol in liters. So we have to represent. So here 10, 15, 20, 25. So here I am taking 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Here also 500 to 750, 1000, 1250. Here I am taking from 250, 0 is 500, 750, 1000, 1250, 1500 like this. Now we have to represent the graph. Number of liters 10. Here our y-axis we have to represent 500. So this is the point. Next 15 number of liters and the cost of petrol 750. So this is the 750. Next 20 liters 1000 rupees. 20 liters 1000 rupees. Similarly 25 liters 1250. 25 liters 1250. So now you can draw the graph from 0 to end. So see, this is the point and this is a 0. We have to draw the line like this. Represent the points here. This point 10, 500. This coordinate 15, 750. This coordinate 20, 1000. This point 25, 1250. So this is the way to represent quantity and cost in the form of graphs. So this is about this session. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on comment section. Please click like button, share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with another one, that is time and distance from Introduction to Graphs from 8th class NCERT. Here I took the another example problem about the time and distance graph. So here Ajit can ride a scooter constantly at a speed of 30 kilometers per hour. Draw a time distance graph for this situation. Use it to find the time taken by Ajit to ride 75 kilometers, the distance covered by Ajit in 3.5 kilometers. So first of all, we have to take the tabular form of speed and distance. So after that, we have to draw that graph between time and distance. After drawing the graph, we have to answer these two questions. So first of all, take the tabular form for the Ajit can ride the scooter constantly at a speed of 30 kilometers per hour. So here we have to take time and distance tabular form. By calculating that, we get the graph. So here we took the tabular form. This is hours of ride and this is distance covered. Okay. So here they said 1 hour 30 kilometers. So for 2 hours 30 into 2, that is 60 kilometers, right? For 3 hours 30 into 3, 90 kilometers. For 4 hours he can do 30 into 4, 120 kilometers. So here we took only general time and distance. So by using these two, we have to draw the graph. So take the tabular form for hour and distances we got. So here time in hours, here distance in kilometers, right? So here 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, distance 30, 60, 90, 120 kilometers respectively. We have to draw a graph by using this tabular form. So let's take the graph here. So I am taking axes as, so this is one axis and this is another axis. See, this is 0. Now this is horizontal and this is vertical. So here take x-axis, we are taking time. In y-axis we are going to take distance. Okay. So here x-axis time in hours. This is distance in kilometers, right? So let's take units representation. So 1 to 4. So I am taking 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 like this. And distance 30, 60, 90, 120. See here I am taking 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140. So here I am taking each unit as 10 kilometers in distance. So now represent the graph. Take time at 1 hour 30 kilometers. So this is 1 hour. This is 30 kilometers at point. 2 hours 60. So 2 hours. This is called 60. 3 hours 90. 3 hours. This is 90. And 4 hours 120. 4 hours and this is 120. So now we have to draw a graph, line from the horizon. It means O. So this is O and we are drawing a line through the all points. See. So it is the graph by showing time and distances. Now they ask some questions. The time taken by Ajit to ride 75 kilometers. So here he asked about the distance 75 kilometers. So where is the 70, 70 and 80 in between these is? So 75 kilometers where the line touches C. So this is the line touches to the 75 kilometers. So this is 75 on Y and on X we got 2.5 hours. See, this is 2.5 hours. So 2.5. So this is the coordinate. Next, the distance covered by Ajit in 3.5 hours. So in 3.5 hours means 3, 4. This is a 3.5. We have to draw a line to touch the line segment here. So see, here is the point. It touches 3.5 hours and it is here exactly at in between 100 and 110. It means 105. See. So this is 3.5 at 105. So this is 105. Here 75. First one answer is 2.5 and 75. Second one answer is 3.5 at 105. So this is about this session. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment in comment section. Please click like button, share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.